Okay, I wanted to make a very quick video over this. And someone asked, they said they were watching this market and its crude oil 5-minute chart. And anyways, they saw this as a strong breakout. They tried to short the bear flag here twice and bailed on the trades as it was clear it wasn't breaking out to the downside. They were saying it didn't look like a reversal pattern up. And now, at some point over here, I'm assuming it's retraced more than half of the sell-off here. And they said now they're distraught at all the money that they didn't make when they were looking to sell, when it just kept going up. Can someone please explain this? And this is the classic example of a small pullback bull trend. And let's go over here. So let me do it. Let me do it like this. So you see a strong breakout, and so a strong breakout, always in short consecutive sell climaxes, and you're thinking if you sell the moving average, trading range probably won't go much lower down. Second entry buy, so you get out of shorts, and you're thinking, okay, now we have, you can call it a wedge, 1, 2, 3, and if I sell at the moving average, as long as I use a wide stop, I shouldn't lose any money. Well, that's all true. Part of the problem you have is this looks like a leg in a trading range, and while this isn't enough to make it clearly always in long, this might be a strong enough surprise, these two bars in here, that the first reversal down may fail and we'll go a little bit higher. Nobody knows what a little bit higher means or what it'll be. It could be up to here. We could go one tick above and turn down. We could go all the way up to a new high of the day. So, and you have to think about probabilities. It's trading range, therefore probabilities probably close to 50-50. Now, let's go a little bit further. So, bulls, 3 consecutive bull bars, and then a bear bar. So what do you notice here? Well, look how tight this channel is. Ever since this bar, the bears cannot make money below bars. So channel's tight, channel's tight. Bears are making money selling. They sell this high, sell more, get out, sell this high, scale in, sell more, get out. But look, you have to ask, why are the bears, why are they failing? This is tight. You know, just imagine, do you really want to be selling below bars when bears have not made money for ever since here? You don't want to do that. So if this channel is really tight, then that means that you need a trend line break. So I kind of think about it like this. Oh, I had to redo something. I can't draw a trend line right now. Let me see if I can do it like this. There it is. So here's a trend line. And you want to see a strong break at the trend line, then maybe a retest, and then look to sell. But it's a problem when you're getting 3 or 4 consecutive bull bars, then a bear bar. 3 or 4 consecutive bull bars, 3 small bear bars. 3 consecutive bull bars, a big bear bar. But it quickly reversed. 3 more consecutive bull bars, 4, 5, and then a bear bar. Nobody wants to sell below a bar after a micro channel of 5 bars, a micro channel here, a micro channel here. This is just too strong. And it's probably going to lead to a trading range. So you have to think about it also like this. Why are you selling below a bar? Are you selling because you think that we're going all the way down to here? You know, if you're selling, why are you selling right here? Are you thinking you're selling based on a measure move down? Or are you selling because you think it's going to go sideways? That's part of the problem. Now, what happened here is really a small pullback trend. Small pullback trends, they look like legs in trading ranges that form gaps, and they keep going and going and going. And by the time you realize, you're trapped. So, let's look at this example. Looks like a leg in a trading range. Now we're going higher, and you have to be open. Here's a negative gap. Maybe we'll form a gap here. This bar couldn't close below here, so we have two gaps here and here. So now you have to be thinking maybe we'll get a measure move from here to here, projecting up. And we close this gap, but did we close this one? Barely. So when the channel gets really, really tight, traders want to see a trend line break. Just like over here. Tight channel, the bulls want a trend line break. Didn't get it. Tight channel, bulls want a trend line break. Got it here. And then look, they got a retest down and still needed a small trend line break from here. Find another. See if we can find another example. It's kind of a small pullback trend. Looks like a trading range, bull breakout, tight channel. And although the bears are making money above bars, the bears can't make money below bars. And if that keeps happening, you have to think this could be a breakout on a higher time frame, and we just keep going up. So kind of like here. It's really dangerous when stop entry traders can't make money, because that increases the chances that limit order traders are going to get trapped. And they did here. Just keeps going up. But then it's consecutive buy climaxes, new high. However, same concept, tight channel. Don't be the first person to sell. Look for a trend line break or retest. Maybe this was the retest. But this still may be just a trend line break here. So maybe we need a retest now. And we got the retest. So now, same concept. Are the bears going to sell more here? Are the bulls going to be willing to buy up here? Or are they going to be disappointed and think it's a trading range? And let me see, I like it when it looks more like that. Now the bears have a double top. Now they have a chance of the major trend reversal. And two legs down, but again, it's still just probably going to go sideways. So what I'm getting at is major trend reversals, small pullback bull trends are tight channels. And they're tight channels that don't look like a breakout, but when you go to a higher time frame, this is what you're selling. You're basically selling a micro channel. So if I go to 15-minute chart, this is what you're selling. 30-minute chart, this is what you're selling. So overall, I hope this helps.